Hello friends, with you the channel Eurasian plant with electrical equipment. Did you miss me? I definitely missed you guys, and today we have some cool content about our screw conveyor line of business. Today I will show you the process of assembling one of our orders and tell you again about the advantages of working with our company. Here we go. I'm actually standing on one of our orders right now. It's a stainless steel conveyor belt. It is used to move grain products. We've got the evidence coming in. This is where you directly see the skin. Who is in the subject? He basically knows what screw doors are for. For screw or raw material handling. And here specifically it will be the grain. Here's the hood itself. But the most important thing about a screw door is not its shell, but its insides. That is, the flatter the auger, the better it will be in operation. And since we manufacture the auger on our own personal equipment, they turn out with a perfectly even geometry and are very long lasting. So they don't jam, they don't get jammed. They will serve you for a very long time. So now I'm going to show you the screw conveyor exactly inside, exactly its innards. Come on. Well, here's the inside of our screw conveyor. They are represented by an auger spiral that we have milled on our equipment. You can see that our spiral is perfectly straight. We are very much accepted for our qualities. We want our conveyors to serve long and reliably because we want so that you, our clients, other customers, keep coming back to us. So we're very quality conscious. We have a straight up very rigorous service at OPTK. Basically, there's not much to say about this conveyor belt. Yes, it's flat, it has the right geometry, we make it on our own equipment. And, by the way, in addition to conveyors, if you have a need, you can also buy from us machines for making these augers. I mean, enough with the artisanal manufacturing of screws. The 90s are long gone there. I think half who watch us are still auger pulling somehow with some rudimentary methods. It's not working anymore, guys. You have to make the augers straight, just right. And by the way, you'll reduce labor costs and increase profits by purchasing our equipment. So you're going to do a segment like this. I don't know, maybe now you're doing about 5 minutes, yeah, and on our equipment you'll be doing 30 seconds. It's very fast. Checked into the matrix. That's it, the auger is done. Welded on the pipe. That's it, the conveyor belt is perfectly flat. Overloaded. That's exactly what we're doing. This particular conveyor was manufactured using our professional equipment. And so underneath this video there will be a link in the description specifically to the machines and to the conveyors. You can order both conveyors and machine tools. And about more conveyors, guys, we make them very cheaply. We have the most competitive prices on the Russian market. We checked, we're always monitoring our competitors. And we can realistically offer you the best price. Find a cheaper price? Drop us an invoice. We review it and guaranteed we will give you a price lower than other companies have done to you. So underneath this clip is a link in the description. A manager calls you, finds out your needs. And we've been working with you for a very long and productive time. You're going to love it. So come on guys, goodbye, until the next videos. It was a pleasure to talk to you again. Goodbye. To be continued.